China International Hardware Show 2026 is going to be held in September. The venue is Shanghai New International Expo Center. The short term for this show is CIHS. I will definitely visit this fair. I'm going to talk to the exhibitors and show their contacts. Please pay attention to my channel. Additionally, there's another fair called China International Hardware Fair. The short term is CIHF, which is going to be held in March 2027. So they are in the different parts of Shanghai. It's very nice. One is in the west, one is in the east. So actually there are two. It's pretty good. China is such big manufacturer of different hardware, products, tools. I think it is absolutely okay. Which one do you prefer? Are you going there? If you are going there, let's meet and grab a cup of coffee together. Let's meet at a CIHS 2027 in Shanghai.